Hello peeps, Mr. ATC once again back to you for another idea of housing throughout recycling. And today I will be creating for you a shoe rack that you will be able to put in your living room or even in your bedroom. And as you may have seen it for the videos now, we have some partners supporting us. So the partner for this video is Europcar. As you can see here, Europcar is putting at our disposal several cars that we can use in order to pick up the different pallets that we can find all around Guadeloupe. We will be adding for you all the details that you will need in order to contact them if you're coming to Guadeloupe to visit the island, and you will be able to find everything in the video description. And if you're new to our community and you like what you're saying, feel free to subscribe just right here at MyATC TV. Then click on the bell to receive a notification every time I'm sharing new content with you. Then now, we can start. Let's go. And in order to create this design, I will be here using a large pallet measuring 1.6 meter, and I will be using my hammer and my reciprocating saw in order to dismantle everything. Then after that, when I'm done with dismantling all the different wooden slats, I will be removing all the nails using my small hammer. And as you know, we are removing the nails in order to move after that to the thickness planner. And here, this will help me to clean up the wood surface. Then after that, moving back to my work table in order to take the appropriate measurement, actually, to go to my miter saw to make the different cuts. And remember that my goal here is to create different plank. The plank will be supported by different legs, and all this using pallet slab. Now I will be creating the first board. As you can see, I'm using above on top of the long wooden slat. I'm using some small ones that are helping me to create a complete board. And note that those are measuring 40 centimeters. To attach them together, I will be using my nail gun. Then after that, some painting. And as you can see, I've been painting everything in white. But of course, if you are doing it for yourself, you can use any color that you would like to. Now it's time to go and create the different legs. As you can see, it's a very big structure. So here, I will be using in total 6 legs. And this to make sure that it's stable enough and make sure that everything stays in place. Here I will be painting using my belt sander to move after that to some paint, white paint of course, to match with the rest of the design. Now that I have everything ready, I will be pre-drilling some holes on each side of the different legs in order to insert my different screws. Then now, time to assemble everything. As you can see, as I'm working outside, it's always nice to put something on the ground in order to place the design on top of it. Because with the white paint, it can be quite dirty. I'm first attaching the different legs, as you can see, then adding the other boards, the first one on top, and after that the other two ones actually, in the middle. Then here we are with a very simple shoe rack created with pallet wood. And I hope that you like this project, so if it's the case, feel free to let us know in the comments. We'll be happy to discuss with you to see if you're doing the same thing at home. We will be also providing a 3D plan for you in case you would like to reproduce the same thing at home. And of course, you will be able to find the links in the video description as well. If you are new to our community, I would advise you to subscribe just right here. Then click on the bell to receive a notification every time we are sharing new content with you. Then I'll see you next time.